Welcome back to Drive X. The 2026 BMW X5 starts at a price of around $68,000, and the moment you see it, you can feel exactly why it carries that number with confidence. You know, there are some SUVs that you look at and think, yeah, that's nice. And then there's the 2026 BMW X5, the kind of SUV that makes you stop, stare, and forget whatever you were doing. The first impression is simple: this thing looks alive. The redesigned front fascia, the sharper LED headlights, and that muscular stance, it's like BMW carved this SUV out of pure confidence. You walk around it and every angle has something to say: wider, bolder, and somehow even more athletic than the previous generation. The lines along the body have this smooth, flowing tension, almost like a calm beast waiting to jump. The new wheel designs pop beautifully, and depending on the color you choose, this SUV can look elegant, sporty, or downright intimidating. And the taillights, super sleek. You get that modern BMW signature glow that looks amazing, especially at night. It's the kind of design that makes people turn their heads even if they're pretending not to. But then you open the door, and that's when the X5 really shows off. The interior is where BMW says, sit down. You're about to experience luxury. The soft leather seats, the stitching, the ambient lighting, everything feels crafted, not just placed. There's this quiet confidence inside the cabin, like it knows it's premium but doesn't need to shout about it. The dashboard is clean, modern, and beautifully curved around you. BMW's dual-screen setup looks sharper than ever, one display for your driving info and another for infotainment. The animations are buttery smooth, the menus feel natural, and the voice assistant actually works when you talk to it like a human. And the steering wheel, thick, sporty, and one of those things you instantly love holding. Space-wise, the X5 remains one of the most comfortable SUVs in its class. Whether you're in the front, in the back, or loading up the cargo area for a road trip, it feels like BMW remembered that luxury isn't just leather, it's convenience. The seats hug you just right. The panoramic sunroof brings in so much natural light that even long drives feel refreshing. And for tech lovers, the wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, smart climate controls, and upgraded sound system turn every drive into a little event. Now, let's talk about the part every enthusiast waits for, the drive. BMW didn't mess around with the 2026 X5. Whether you go for the turbocharged inline-6 or the V8, the SUV moves with a kind of smooth aggression. Not violent, not wild, but confident. You press the accelerator and it responds instantly, like it's been waiting for you to ask. The handling is classic BMW. Despite being a big SUV, it feels tight, balanced, and almost playful. You take a turn and it leans less than you expect. You cruise on a straight road and it glides like a luxury car should. And the refined suspension makes bumps disappear so effortlessly that you might start thinking the roads have magically improved. Efficiency has improved as well, especially with the mild hybrid setup. It's not the kind of tech you notice while driving, and that's exactly the point. It just makes everything smoother and more responsive. And compared to the previous model, the 2026 X5 brings sharper design, cleaner tech, smoother drive feel, and a more modern cabin experience. BMW didn't reinvent the X5, they evolved it in all the right places. It still feels like the X5 everyone loves, just more grown up, more polished, and more fun to drive. There are also those little touches that make you smile: the improved ambient lighting patterns, the smarter parking assistant, the quieter cabin insulation, and the upgraded driver assistance features that help without feeling intrusive. These are the things you don't see in brochures but you definitely feel on the road. At the end of the day, the 2026 BMW X5 isn't just an SUV, it's an experience. It's for the person who wants luxury but also loves driving. For the family that wants comfort but doesn't want to give up excitement. For the enthusiast who appreciates detail, design, and balance. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 X5 the best looking version yet? Would you pick it over its rivals, or do you think another SUV steals the spotlight this year? Tell me in the comments, I'd love to hear your thoughts.